Welcome back. In this module, we will discuss continuous random variable part 1, uniform random variable. Uniform or rectangular distribution. A random variable x is said to follow the uniform distribution of the continuous type or rectangular distribution over the interval AB if the probability of x to lie in any subinterval of AB is proportional to the length of that subinterval. Consider x following uniform distribution over AB. Let A1 B1 is the subinterval of AB. Then probability of A1 less than x less than B1 equal to B1 minus A1 divided by B minus A. If AX is a subinterval of AB, then probability of A less than x less than small x, that is equal to x minus A divided by B minus A, or probability of x less than or equal to small x equal to x minus A divided by B minus A, where A less than x less than B. Hence, probability of x less than or equal to small x equal to 0 when x less than or equal to A and equal to 1 when x greater than or equal to B. This implies for the random variable x, capital F of x equal to probability of capital X less than or equal to small x, that is equal to 0 when x less than or equal to A, that is equal to x minus A divided by B minus A when A less than or equal to x less than B, and is 1 when x greater than or equal to B. Then the density function of x, small f of x, that is equal to d by dx of capital F of x, that is equal to 1 divided by B minus A when A less than or equal to x less than or equal to B and equal to 0 otherwise. Hence, a random variable with such a density function is said to follow rectangular or uniform distribution of continuous type over the interval AB, denoted as. For rectangular distribution, the area under f of x is in rectangular shape. That is why the uniform distribution is referred to as rectangular distribution. Mean and variance. Mean equal to expectation of x, that is equal to integral over x into f of x dx, that is equal to integral over a to b x into 1 divided by b minus a dx, that is 1 by b minus a into x square by 2 in the interval a to b, that is 1 by b minus a into b square by 2 minus a square by 2, that is 1 by 2 into b minus a into b square minus a square, that is b plus a divided by 2. Expectation of x square equal to integral over x square into f of x dx, that is integral over ab x square into 1 by b minus a dx, that is 1 by b minus a into x cube divided by 3 in the interval a b, that is 1 by b minus a into b cube by 3 minus a cube by 3, that is 1 by 3 into b minus a into b cube minus a cube, that is b square plus ab plus a square all divided by 3. Hence, variance v of x equal to b square plus ab plus a square all divided by 3 minus b plus a by 2 the whole square, that is b square minus 2ab plus a square all divided by 12, that is b minus a the whole square divided by 12. Moment generating function. Mxt equal to expectation of e raised to tx, that is integral over x e raised to tx into f of x dx, that is equal to integral over a to b e raised to tx into 1 divided by b minus a dx, that is equal to 1 by b minus a into e raised to tx divided by t in the limit from a to b. This implies mxt equal to e raised to tb minus e raised to ta divided by t into b minus a. Central moment generating function. Mx minus expectation of x of t, that is equal to expectation of e raised to t into x minus e of x, that is integral over a to b e raised to t into x minus of b plus a divided by 2 into 1 divided by b minus a dx, that is e raised to minus of b plus a divided by 2 into t into e raised to tb minus e raised to ta all divided by t into b minus a. Mean deviation about mean. For x following uniform over the interval ab, mean deviation about mean, expectation of modulus of x minus expectation of x, that is equal to integral over a to b modulus of x minus b plus a divided by 2 into 1 divided by b minus a dx, that is 1 by b minus a into integral over a to b modulus of x minus b plus a divided by 2 into dx. that is equal to 1 by b minus a into integral from a to b plus a by 2 minus of x minus b plus a by 2 dx plus integral from b plus a by 2 to b x minus b plus a by 2 dx, that is equal to 1 by b minus a into minus of x square by 2 minus of b plus a by 2 into x over the limit a to b plus a by 2 plus x square by 2 minus of b plus a by 2 into x over the limit b plus a by 2 to b, that is 1 by b minus a into x square by 4 plus b square by 4 minus ab divided by 2, that is 1 by b minus a into b minus a by 2 the whole square, that is b minus a divided by 4. Problem 1. Subway train on a certain line runs every half an hour. What is the probability that a man entering the station at a random time will have to wait at least 20 minutes? Solution. Let x be the random variable denoting the waiting time of the man for the next train. In this situation, x can be considered as a continuous uniform random variable over the interval 0, 30. Then the PDF of x is f of x equal to 1 by 30 for 0 less than x less than 30 and equal to 0 otherwise. Probability of the waiting time is at least 20 minutes is probability of x greater than or equal to 20, that is integral 20 to 30 of 1 by 30 dx, that is 1 by 30 into 30 minus 20, that is 1 by 3. Problem 2. An horizontal line of length 5 units is divided by a point chosen at random into two parts. If the length of the first part is x, find expectation of x into 5 minus x. Also find the MGF of x and get the mean and variance of x from it. Solution. The line can be divided at any randomly chosen point in between 0 and 5. Let the line be divided at the point x. Then f of x equal to 1 by 5 minus 0, that is equal to 1 by 5 for 0 less than x less than 5. Expectation of x into 5 minus x equal to integral over 0 to 5 x into 5 minus x into 1 by 5 dx, that is 1 by 5 into 5 x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 over the interval 0, 5, that is 1 by 5 into 125 by 2 minus 125 by 3, that is 25 divided by 6. mxt equal to e raised to tb minus e raised to ta divided by t into b minus a, that is e raised to 5t minus 1 divided by 5t, that is equal to 1 plus 5t by 1 factorial plus 25t square by 2 factorial plus 125 t cube by 3 factorial plus etc. minus 1 all divided by 5t, that is 1 by 1 factorial plus 5t by 2 factorial plus 25t square by 3 factorial plus etc. that is 1 plus t by 1 factorial into 5 by 2 plus t square by 2 factorial into 25 by 3 plus etc. Expectation of x is the coefficient of t by 1 factorial in the expansion of mxt, that is 5 divided by 2. Expectation of x square is the coefficient of t square by 2 factorial in the expansion of mxt, that is 25 divided by 3. Hence variance v of x equal to 25 by 3 minus 5 by 2 the whole square, that is 25 divided by 12. Problem 3. X is a random variable with continuous distribution. Find the distribution of y equal to capital F of x, where capital F of x is the distribution function of capital X. Solution. By the method of change of variable, f of y equal to f of x in terms of y into modulus of dx by dy, given y equal to f of x. This implies dy by dx equal to d by dx of f of x, that is equal to small f of x. This implies dx by dy equal to 1 by small f of x. In terms of y, f of x equal to dy by dx. Hence, f of y equal to dy by dx into dx by dy, that is equal to 1, where 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1, because y is the distribution function of a random variable x. Then the result implies y follows uniform distribution over the interval 0, 1. Problem 4. For a random variable x following uniform over the interval ab, show that the mean deviation about mean is b minus a the all raised to minus 1 into c square minus ac plus a square by 2 plus b square by 2 minus bc, where c equal to b plus a divided by 2. Solution. Mean deviation about mean is expectation of modulus of x minus expectation of x. Expectation of modulus of x minus expectation of x equal to integral over ab modulus of x minus expectation of x into 1 by b minus a dx. That is integral over a to b modulus of x minus b plus a divided by 2 into 1 by b minus a dx, because expectation of x equal to b plus a divided by 2. That is equal to integral over ab modulus of x minus c into 1 by b minus a dx. That is integral from a to c minus x into 1 by b minus a dx plus integral from c to b x minus c into 1 by b minus a dx, because when x less than c, modulus of x minus c equal to minus of x minus c. When x greater than c, modulus of x minus c equal to x minus c. This is equal to 1 by b minus a into cx minus x square by 2 over the interval a to c plus 1 by b minus a into x square by 2 minus cx over the interval cb. That is equal to 1 by b minus a into c square minus c square by 2 minus ac plus a square by 2 plus b square by 2 minus bc minus c square by 2 plus c square. That is b minus a the all raised to minus 1 into c square minus ac plus a square by 2 plus b square by 2 minus bc. Problem 5. If x is uniformly distributed with mean 6 and variance 3, find p of x less than 5. Solution. For x following uniform over AB, mean equal to b plus a divided by 2 and variance equal to b minus a the whole square divided by 12. Given b plus a by 2 equal to 6 and b minus a the whole square by 12 equal to 3. This implies b plus a equal to 12 and b minus a the whole square equal to 36. This implies b equal to 9 and a equal to 3. That is x following uniform over 3, 9. Hence, probability of x less than 5 equal to integral from 3 to 5 1 divided by 9 minus 3 dx. That is x divided by 6 over the limit from 3 to 5. That is 5 minus 3 divided by 6, that is 2 by 6. Problem 6. For the rectangular distribution f of x equal to 1 by 2a for minus a less than x less than a, show that the MGF is 1 by at into sin h at. Also show that the moments of even order mu 2r dash equal to a raised to 2r divided by 2r plus 1 for r equal to 1, 2, etc. Solution. Mxt equal to expectation of e raised to tx, that is equal to integral from minus a to plus a e raised to tx into 1 by 2a dx, that is 1 by 2a into e raised to tx divided by t in the limit from minus a to plus a, that is 1 by 2a into e raised to at minus e raised to minus at all divided by t, that is 1 by at into e raised to at minus e raised to minus at all divided by 2, that is 1 by at into sin h at. Mxt equal to e raised to at minus e raised to minus at all divided by 2 at, that is 1 by 2 at into 1 plus at by 1 factorial plus a square t square by 2 factorial plus etc. minus of 1 minus at by 1 factorial plus a square t square by 2 factorial minus etc. That is 1 by 2 at into 2 at by 1 factorial plus 2 a cube t cube by 3 factorial plus 2 a raised to 5 t raised to 5 by 5 factorial etc. That is 1 plus a square t square by 3 factorial plus a raised to 4 t raised to 4 by 5 factorial plus etc. That is 1 plus t square by 2 factorial into a square by 3 plus t raised to 4 by 4 factorial into a raised to 4 by 5 plus etc. This implies mu 1 dash equal to 0, mu 2 dash equal to a square by 3, mu 3 dash equal to 0, mu 4 dash equal to a raised to 4 by 5 etc. Then in general we can write mu 2r dash equal to a raised to 2r divided by 2r plus 1 for r equal to 1, 2 etc. Problem 7. If x is a uniform random variable over the interval 0, 1, find the distribution of y equal to minus 2 log x to the base e. Solution. Given y equal to minus 2 log x to the base e, f of y equal to f of x in terms of y into modulus of dx by dy. Here f of x equal to 1 for 0 less than x less than 1 and x equal to e raised to minus y by 2. Therefore, dx by dy equal to d by dy of e raised to minus y by 2, that is minus 1 by 2 into e raised to minus y by 2. This implies modulus of dx by dy equal to 1 by 2 into e raised to minus y by 2. This implies modulus of dx by dy equal to 1 by 2 into e raised to minus y by 2. Hence, f of y equal to 1 into 1 by 2 into e raised to minus y by 2, that is 1 by 2 e raised to minus y by 2. When x equal to 0, y equal to minus 2 log 0 to the base e, that is minus 2 into minus infinity, that is plus infinity. When x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2 log 1 to the base e, that is equal to 0. Then the range of variation of y is from 0 to infinity. Hence, the PDF of y is f of y equal to 1 by 2 into e raised to minus y by 2 over 0 less than y less than infinity. Problem 8. If b and c are two independent variables such that b follows uniform over 0, 4 and c follows uniform over 0, 6. Find the probability that the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is having real roots. Solution. The equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is having real roots if b square minus 4 into 1 into c greater than 0. Hence, probability of real roots equal to probability of b square minus 4c greater than 0. That is probability of c less than b square divided by 4. Given that b and c are independent, hence their joint density function f of bc equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 6, that is 1 by 24 for 0 less than b less than 4 and 0 less than c less than 6. Then probability of c less than b square by 4 equal to integral from 0 to 4, again integral from 0 to b square by 4 of 1 by 24 dc db, that is equal to 2 divided by 9. In this module, we considered uniform distribution of continuous type or rectangular distribution. Properties of the distribution are discussed. Through the problems, the practical application of the distribution is shown. Using some theoretical problems, an extensive tour on this distribution is made. Try to answer the following questions. For a random variable x following uniform over minus 2, 6, find expectation of x, variance of x and probability of modulus of x less than 3 by 2. A random variable x following uniform over minus a plus a, find a such that probability of x less than 3 equal to 0.8. X is a random variable with PDF f of x equal to 3 e raised to minus 3x for x greater than 0. Show that y equal to 1 minus e raised to minus 3x is uniformly distributed over the interval 0, 1. If x and y are independent uniform random variables such that x following uniform over 0, 6 and y following uniform over 0, 5, find probability of x less than 2y. Find the coefficient of variation of a random variable x following uniform over the interval ab. Books for your reference are: number 1, SM Ross, Introduction to Probability Models by Academic Press. Number 2, SC Gupta and VK Kapoor, Introduction to Mathematical Statistics by Sultan Chand and Sons. Number 3, TK Chandra and D Chatterjee, a first course in probability by Narosa. Number 4, SM Ross, a first course in probability by Pearson Education. Number 5, R.A. Johnson, Probability and Statistics for Engineers by PHI. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.